I'm here with James Michael, owner of Glass by James Michael and Company, and I'm super excited to talk about all these cool things and really understand what's going on. So, we're here at your shop. Tell us about what it is you do and how you got started in this awesome thing.
The short answer is what we do is magic. And the long answer is we take sand and turn it into art. But to make it, we start with sand and about 18 other different ingredients. And then when we want to make a color, we put in additional chemistry, usually minerals or metals, okay? Usually a metal oxide or a mineral oxide. We put that in and that'll give us a different color.
So working with glass is truly a science.
It very much is. It'd be very, very difficult to do glass in a serious manner if you didn't understand the science of it. What we have to do is turn that dry mix of ingredients. We refer to that as batch.
Okay.
And we need to heat that batch up to get it to phase change. So the fact that we phase change it from solid to liquid, that happens with our glass at about 2,750 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's hot.
That's real hot. What we like to tell people is if you think about the hottest oven you've ever put a pizza in, okay, that's less than 500 degrees. But you're talking over 5 times hotter than the hottest oven you've ever used at home. So we get it all up to that temperature and it melts, it turns, it phase changes. It goes from a solid to a liquid. And from that point on, it's always a liquid. But you're gonna see that we always have to keep turning the pipe because the glass, when it's hot, in its liquid state, it wants to run off that pipe and fall down. So you have to turn it just fast enough to counteract the gravity of it falling. Now the basic tool that we use, obviously we have our furnace that the glass is in. We have a reheating furnace. We have a pipe warmer, this is more like equipment. And then we have an oven to cool the glass. The tools that we use to work with the glass are really, really simple. Okay, most people are a little surprised. The number one tool we use is what we call as a marver. That's just a big steel table. We can roll the glass up, help us shape it. Next thing that we're going to use is a block, and it looks pretty much like what it sounds like. It's just a wooden block, usually made out of fruit wood because fruit wood doesn't burn up as fast.
Okay.
Okay. And we're going to have a little handle on that, and we're going to lay the glass in there, and we're going to roll the pipe, and move that block with it, and it'll help us shape it into a ball or whatever shape we need. Now, we do that at a bench, which is pretty much what it sounds like. It's just a wooden bench. Plank with 2 arms that come out that we can set the pipe on and roll the pipe and then use tools and have a place for our tools. Use them at the bench. So the next one that is the one that's my favorite out of all of them is simply wet newspaper. Call it a steam pad, okay? And a steam pad is usually 6 or 8 sheets of newspaper that's been folded into thirds and then folded into thirds again, tucked into itself. Soaked in water. But what happens is the moisture in the newspaper, as the hot glass nears it, it turns it to steam.
So you too can be a glass maker, and this is a great place where you can actually come and try it out.